whenever you're ready.
Hello, my name is Balu. I'm working at MNS here, and MNS is one of the oldest nature-based organization.
So what do you do at MNS?
In MNS, I'm the head of conservation. So I've been there for more than about 5 years plus.
What are your recent works, like your recent projects?
Our recent projects focus on forest areas such as in Belum Temenggong, where we are working on hornbills. We also work in other places which are also considered as important bird areas, such as in Kuala Selangor Nature Park, in Penang, Teluk Air Tawar, Kuala Muda area, and areas such as Ulu Muda as well.
So you mentioned hornbills. Can you tell us about your most recent project in terms of hornbill conservation?
Our hornbill project is based in Belum Temenggong Forest Complex. So we have been working there for the last for 14 years. So there are a few activities that we carry out in this landscape. One of it is hornbill monitoring. We observe the nesting and the behavioral patterns of this hornbill. We also work on long-term research on this special migratory hornbill that comes down from Thailand to Malaysia every August and September in the year.
So you mentioned August to September. It's September now. What was, after 14 years of this work, what initiative did you have? Maybe you can tell us a bit about the Hornbill Festival.
Okay, for the last 14 years, we've been monitoring these hornbills, migratory hornbills, through a project called Hornbill Volunteer Program, where we work with citizens to monitor and also to count the numbers. Recently, we thought we have a lot of data, right? So we thought we should share it with the people of the land. So we just celebrated Hornbill Festival with the local people, local orang asli community in this landscape.
So why is it important to engage with the local people and the orang asli?
Like I said, local people are the people of the land, right? So they've been here for generations, right? And we have been only here for about a decade plus. Yeah. So it's always good to share knowledge, because when we come in, we ask their permission. So likewise, we are duty bound to actually share the results of the research to them. So this is a new initiative basically.
Would you say that the orang asli have a special relationship with the hornbills, or perhaps more in tune with nature?
Yes, I mean their livelihood is dependent on the nature, right? And hornbills is a very big forest birds, right? So you would not miss it basically, right? So if you ask orang asli, they will tell you, the different species of birds, that they can see flying. Yeah. So through our research, we found that there are about 10 species of hornbill in this landscape. Yeah, and all of them, have very special asli names. Yeah. So definitely, their culture is also linked to it.
Why do you think it's important for us to conserve the hornbills, to keep them from going extinct?
Okay. Actually, the hornbills actually reflect the health of the environment. They prefer old growth forests, and they nest in the largest and the highest of the forest trees, right? So you seldom find many of these places in that kind of condition, pristine condition, right? And here you have 10 species of hornbills, the only place in the world where you can find 10 species of hornbills. So that tells a lot about the whole forest and the nature environment.
Could you tell us a little bit about the hornbills in this area? In Belum Temenggong, you said there was 10 species. What are they and how are they special?
In Asia, there are about 32 species and in the Belum Temenggong rainforest, there are about 10 species. Okay, this in one particular place, it's quite a huge number, right? So when people say about hornbills, people think about Sarawak, right? Because the culture of people, and what hornbill actually resemble, to them. But in Belum Temenggong, nobody realized that we have about 10 species, versus 8 species in Sarawak. So that actually says, this is the land of hornbill, right? So this is where we need to, sensitize the local population and also the general public as well, that hornbill species, they find a home here in Belum Temenggong.
What are some of the problems that the hornbills are facing right now?
Within the landscape,
Yes.
right? Destruction to the forest, from logging, from people opening up land for agriculture. Such many of the existing land near the river valleys are already now being flooded because of the Temenggong Dam. Right? So you find that the nature environment is actually sort of squeezed, and also been diminished. Right? So the hornbill which finds a home here, so they are basically now, fly around, right, without a proper place to settle.
Poaching is also a problem for them, is it?
Poaching is a problem, but not as bad as in Indonesia, alright. But it may come here, because the species are here, the bird species are here. Alright. So one of the hornbill, which is the helmeted hornbill, is actually poached for its ivory.
What role do the orang asli play in hornbill conservation?
Okay, here in Belum Temenggong, we have a program called Hornbill Guardians, where the orang asli work closely with MNS in monitoring the population, their nesting habitats and such. Right? But this program only outreach to very certain individuals. So what we want now, what we are doing now, is to make it more public. The knowledge is more accessible to the community, the people of the land.
As for the general public, maybe not in the rural areas, those in the city, how do you think the public can, what can they do to help in conserving the hornbills?
Okay, having 10 species of hornbills in one location is very unique. So this is something the public should know. Alright, when people see the hornbill center of the world, it is here. Alright, so it is a globally recognized place. That's why it is an important bird area. Alright, so the public, knowing this, that this place is important globally, we would actually sensitize them, to be more encouraged, to help in the protection and conservation of this area.
What would you feel like, what are your hopes and dreams for this hornbill project?
Okay, under this project, what we are trying to do is, we have a long-term plan of getting this area protected. Alright, we have the Royal Belum State Park. Okay, it only covers the northern part of the landscape. So we intend to make sure the southern part is also protected, just as in the north. Alright, so that the whole landscape, will be protected here for the birds and also for the people of the land around us.
Sorry, one last question. What do you think of the hornbills that are kept in zoos? Do you think that's good for them, even if they have a partner, a mate?
Okay, hornbills are the largest one, among the largest of the forest birds. Alright, you fly very high, higher up in the canopy, 30-40 meters. But having them in a small enclosure, it can be about 10 meter high, 30 meter wide. It doesn't do really justice for these big birds. Okay, they fly from one patch of forest area to another patch of forest area. Okay, they fly from one patch of forest to the other patch of forest, which is very far distance. So that's why we have this unique bird here called plain porch hornbill. So they fly all the way from Thailand Myanmar border down south to Belum Temenggong every year in August and September. So they fly hundreds of kilometers. Alright, so to have them in a very small place, I don't think is appropriate.
Okay. Thank you so much for your time.